a second. You don't have to prove a thing. You are the glow.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to work on facial moisturizer. This is for matured skin types because we are going to use high-end actives. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification in order for you to be updated when we post more videos, because we are going to be doing so. First, we are working with our hydrosol, that's phase A, then with our distilled water. Yes, when it comes to facial moisturizer, in fact any facial product that is a stay-on product, do well to use your hydrosols. Now this is our vitamin B, that's niacinamide powder. We are going to use it in phase A. Now this is our EDTA, our zinc PCA, and allantoin. Yes, now these actives will help in chelating our production in order for it not to go bad, our allantoin for mature skin. Now this is our snow white powder. We are going to use it in phase A, and we are going to first dissolve it with glycerin before adding it to the water phase. Yes, it doesn't dissolve well in water. Now this is our EDTA. Sorry, it is not among the thing that is on the dish. So this is our EDTA. We have already put it on the dish. Now we are going in with our tea tree hydrosol. This will help to combat inflammation and those suffering from acne also. Now we are going in with our water. Please, the actives or whatever that we are using for production will be left at the end of this video, so you need to pay rapt attention for you to get to know the ingredient list and the percentage usage rate. They are very important. So we have gone in with our hydrosol and our distilled water. Now we will be going in with our allantoin and zinc PCA. Zinc PCA will help to regulate sebum and heal your skin. Now this is our niacinamide. Yes, I'm using it in phase A because you can use it in your cool down phase too. Yes, I'm just using it in phase A in order for it to dissolve very well. I'm not going to heat it that much. I'm not going to heat it that much. In fact, it doesn't really require you to heat it very much, but I just want it to dissolve very well so it will still be okay. Now the snow white powder, remember you have to get your ingredients from a reliable source in order for them to work effectively. Yes, snow white powder involves mixing of 3 or 4 or more ingredients. Some we have beta arbuthin in them depending on the manufacturer. Yes, it's a very good lightening powder. So we've dissolved it with our glycerin and we have added it into our water phase. We'll stir it a bit. We are going to heat this up while we work on our phase B ingredients. We are going to heat it up now for us to work on our phase B ingredients. Now the phase B involves your waxes and your oils. First, we are using our silky wax. Now you can use any wax of your choice, please. Now this silky wax can work on its own, or you, in order to boost the viscosity, you go in with your cetyl alcohol. Yes, but on its own you can use silky wax. Is an emulsifier that works on its own, like Olivem 1000. It's a very good wax that is very good for when it comes to working on facial ingredients. Now we have our capri triglyceride. This is a very good emollient that is non-greasy and it slips into the skin. Have you ever used a facial moisturizer that when you use it, it doesn't really look as if that you use anything? Yes, that is the work of CCT. Or you can use your Oli squalene. It's very good for the skin, especially matured skin. Now we are going in with our C1215 alkaline benzoate. Now this is a penetration enhancer, and also the snow white powder we are using, it will help to disperse it very well. Now we are going to go in with our evening primers. Remember, it is a matured skin face moisturizer. It's not that anybody cannot use it, but it is very good when it comes to treating fine lines, wrinkles, and the rest. Now this is the Meticon. It's a silicone oil that allows your product to have a very good sleep and kind of shining. Yes, this is what the Meticone does. It's a very good silicone, but you don't have to use it so much. Now we have isododecan. Now this particular product we help to kind of vanish your face moisturizer. Like when you are applying much on your face, you go in with your serum, going with SPF and the rest. A lot of people find it difficult. Your skin can be so heavy. Now this particular ingredient will help to kind of vanish, smoothing. In fact, it will look as if that there is no oil in your face moisturizer. Now we are going in with our shea butter. Remember, no matter what you are working, like shea butter is an overall goodness. Now we've prepared both of them, and we have done the water. We've done the water phase and now the oil phase. We're going to mix them together. Don't mind me here. You're supposed to you pour in your water in your oil phase, but I'm doing the other way. So we are going to whisk it up and allow it to emulsify very well. Yes, I'm breaking this down so that even a layman will understand the processes. Now it has cooled down a bit and it has formed an emulsion. Sorry, we have to cut the video so that it will not be too long, you understand. So at this stage we are going to run down our phase C ingredients. This is our tranexamic acid, which will help to take care of your dark spots, your acne spots, even out skin tone. Now this also is our L-glutathione, the wonderful antioxidant brightening powder. We have our preservative, which is Usil 9010, a very good broad spectrum preservative. We have our D-alpha tocopherol, is a kind of vitamin E. It is much more stronger than the other vitamin E. Now we have a matrixyl. Matrixyl is an active, a peptide that will help to counter against the wrinkles and fine line. I told you guys that this is a matured skin facial moisturizer. We have to dissolve our tranexamic acid, our L-glutathione in a warm water, and we put it in. Now we are going in with our matrixyl. Our matrixyl is a very strong active when it comes to treating your wrinkles. Now we have our hyaluronic acid gel. If you want to get to know how to do this hyaluronic acid gel, leave a comment so that I would upload a video about it, because this one I did it. I use higher molecular weight hyaluronic acid gel to get active to get that. Now I'm going in with our preservative. If you don't have Usil 9010, you can do with your Gemma Plus. Yes, but I'm using Usil 9010 because it's an EcoSat certified. Now we are going to test our pH. Yes, this is very important. We give it another whisk. We have to make sure that it's all the active that we added are well immersed in the emulsion. We turn it very well. Then we are going to check our pH, which is very, very important. Due to the active that we use, the pH of this product should be around 5.5 to 6. Yes. Now we have to take a little out from the face moisturizer, put it in a cup, and we use distilled water, please, to dissolve it. Make sure it dissolves very well. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell in order to know when we upload hot, beautiful videos. Now we are using our test stripe. You can use your machine, you can use your paper, but I prefer my test stripe. It gives me what I want. Okay, now this is accurate. This is 5.5. If it's more than that, you are going to use your citric acid to bring it down. If it's lower, you are going to increase it with your lye solution or tea. So guys, this is a very, very good anti-aging facial moisturizer. You can sell it, anyone can use it. Thank you so much for being in our video.